This is how to merge multiple PDF files into one primary file. There are so many softwares that exist to make our lives easier, and we should take advantage of them. To merge PDF files, there are lots of softwares to use. Why is it even necessary to merge PDF files? Reports from different departments can be combined into one file. You can also share your documents with so much ease. Last but not the least, you can save some valuable storage space on your computer. And to do this is very simple and totally free. I'll show you two different ways to do this. First, you'll use an online tool. You have to upload your PDF, so merge them, and then you can download the merged copy. But what if you have concerns about uploading your document to the cloud? I'll show you a tool that you can download and install on your computer that allows you to merge multiple PDF files into one primary PDF file. If you are new to this channel, welcome. Alright, let's jump on the computer and let's start merging files. Here I am on my desktop and I have three different PDF files called PDF 1, 2 and 3 in that order, and I'll merge them into just one file. First, I'll show you how to use a free online tool to merge your PDFs into one. To merge your PDF file online is really as simple as going to google.com and then searching for merge PDF. You'll see all sorts of different services that offer to merge your PDFs into one. You have services like Small PDF, a lot of PDF, even Adobe offers to merge your PDFs. They all work almost the same way. You have to upload your files, you can then rearrange the order, and once you are all done, you can merge it and then download the merged file. So which one should you choose? Well, once again, they all work almost the same way. Most of them have some limits in terms of how many files you can merge on a daily basis. With Adobe, probably the most well-known out of the many, you have to sign in to be able to download. So that's a little bit of extra work. Let's click on Small PDF to see how this one works. There's a link in the description to this site. Here, I can choose my files or I could simply drag and drop my PDFs. I'm going to click on Choose Files. I see my three PDF files. I'll highlight all of these and then click on Open. My PDF files are being uploaded. Alright, most of these services are freemium. That is, they give you some basic functionalities for free, which is just doing a simple merge of all these files. And most of them also have a premium option that gives you some additional capabilities. Like maybe you want to add a watermark or you want to rearrange individual pages within the PDF. For now, the basic version works. So I'll click on Choose option. Here on the next screen, I can rearrange my PDF. So I'll move them in the order that I want. I think this looks good. Down below, I can also add more pages if for any reason I forgot to select all of my files on the previous screen. So after that, I'll click on Merge PDF. And look at that. It looks like it has successfully merged my PDF. Now once again, just like I mentioned earlier, most of these services only allow you to merge a certain number of PDFs on a daily basis. So on the search results, if you need to merge more, you can simply work your way down the list and go through the services if you need to merge a lot of PDF files. Once I'm ready to download, I'll click on this button right here and it's now successfully downloaded my PDF. Let's click on it and see how this turned out. Well, that's very good. My PDF file has been successfully merged together. This is exactly how I want it to look like. So we've been able to use an online tool to merge our PDF files into one. Now once again, these different online services have their limitations. Also, I have to upload my PDF files to the cloud or to the internet. So especially if it's a sensitive document, I might not want to do that. Next, I want to show you how you can use an app that you can install on your computer to merge PDFs. There are lots of different tools available that allows you to merge PDFs on your computer. And by far, the most recommended and also trustworthy app that I found when I was doing my research on different merge tools is called PDF Toolkit Free or PDF TK Free. This tool will allow you to do basic merging, so you can pull together all of your different PDF files. There is also a premium version available called PDF Toolkit Pro. It gives you a few more capabilities. You could even rotate, add a watermark, you can put a stamp on your PDF, and it has a few other features. But I'm here today and I just need to merge a PDF, so the free tool will do just fine. To access this tool, navigate to the following website. I've also included a link in the description of this video. Once you land on this site, go down and click on this bright green button that says Download PDF Toolkit Free. The size of this tool is just 3.5 megabytes and this is very cool. Once you finish downloading and installing the PDF Toolkit, go down to your taskbar and within the search field, let's type in PDF TK. And here you should see the tool appear. Let's click on this. This opens up the PDF Toolkit, and up above, I can specify what pages or what PDFs I want to merge. Over here, I'll click on Add PDF. Here I see my 3 PDF files. I'll highlight all 3 of them and then click on Open. I see all of my pages here and I can rearrange the order these appear in. I can select one of these files and I can drag it down or I could drag it back up. Over on the right hand side, I have some different options I could specify within this PDF. Which pages do I want to include? Just maybe page 1, 3 or 7. I could also list a range of pages and I could even specify whether I just want to include even or odd pages. So in terms of merging, this tool has quite a bit of functionalities compared to some of the free online services. I could even put the same file in more than once. So here I could select one of my PDFs and I could copy the selection and then include it again. Or maybe I added a PDF I didn't intend to add. I could remove this selection. So there's quite a bit of functionalities up here in terms of merging PDFs. Down below, I have some additional controls, but once again, I need to go to premium to access this. Now, I just want to do a basic merge. The free version is okay for this. Down in the bottom left hand corner, I'll click on Create PDF. This now opens up a file prompt and I can decide where I want to save my PDF. I'll just put this on my desktop and I'll call it Merged PDF. Once I'm good to go, let's click on Save. It has now successfully combined my PDF files. Here is the new file called Merged PDF. Let's open this to see how it turned out. Oh, this app did a great job. It has combined it exactly how I wanted it to be combined. I prefer this tool to the online services because it gives me a little bit of more control over how I merge all of my PDF files. And all I have to do is to download the PDF toolkit. Alright, that's how easy it is to merge PDF files. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up. To see more videos like this in the future, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Also, if you want to see me cover any other topics on this channel, leave a comment down below. Alright, that's all I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed it. And as always, I hope to see you next time. Bye.